Welcome to TechHub.training. This is the Alteryx solution for variance analysis by paralysis. Let's jump in. Here the CFO has asked us to create 3 separate reports. One summarized version for plan versus actual, and then grouped by region, and then grouped by region and practice within the worst performing region. So here I've loaded in our revenue actuals and our revenue plan, filtered for fiscal year 23, which is April 1st through March 31st. The revenue plan is already showing fiscal year 23, so no need to filter more. Here I've summed our revenue for actuals, summed our revenue for plan, and I used an append fields tool here to combine them so that they could be in the same row and so that we can perform calculations on them. The calculations are actual minus plan to give us the actual versus plan number, and then the actual versus plan percentage. So actual v plan divided by plan, multiplied by 100, rounded to the second decimal point. From that we can create a table which looks something like this, a nice output that we can send to the CFO, which shows our overall actual versus plan. Moving on to part 2. Here we've summed revenue grouped by region for actual and plan, joined on region, created our same calculations as before. This time we're going to sort by our actual versus plan percentage ascending, create a table, and here we can see that the South region performed the worst. They missed their plan by almost 23%. The CFO wants to know why. Which practices contributed to the South region performing so poorly? So here we're going to group by region and practice for actual and plan, join on region and practice, filter for just the South region, compute our same calculations as before, sort by actual versus plan percent, create a table, and here we can see that the technology solutions practice within the South region missed their plan by almost 46%. That's crazy. The CFO is going to want to talk to their manager, see what they can do to step it up for next year, and he's going to be very happy with you that you provided these 3 reports for him. I hope you've enjoyed this challenge. We'll see you next time.